Badulla para Nagadeepa. Nagadeepa. Nagadeepa Vava. Nagadeepa Lake. We are on our way to Badulla. Passing Nagadeepa Vava. It's a big lake. And above the lake you can see the Nagadeepa mountain and lake. Mountain and the temple. And here is the water flow. The canal which commences from this reservoir. Rice fields and more mountains. We are in Badulla, Ua province of Sri Lanka.